Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my lip glosses. Right. So I'm gonna show you like all the ingredients I use step by step and the procedure and everything. So I'm in my room, as you can see, but I'm gonna go to my kitchen and show you guys how I do all of my lip glosses, the packaging, the labels, and all that. So in this big bag, I have everything I need. So I'm gonna pull out everything one by one. So I have the base. This is a gel that I make to make the lip gloss. And this is the brand, TKB. And I have another one from another lady I ordered because this brand didn't have anymore. They're like out of stock. I wanted like ASAP, so I just bought 2 more. Then I have my wand tube. See, I have my wand tube. I also have squeeze tubes that look like this. Then I have this. These are called syringes. And these are the syringes. I have all of them labeled by the name of the lip gloss. It's basically to fill in the thing, like the mixing thing with this and the oil and the color. And it's easier like to fill in the tubes. So yeah. Of course I have gloves because it gets messy, it's sticky. And these are droppers. And they look like this. So this is used for especially filling in the squeeze tube, because when you fill it in, when you try to fill it in with one of these, the squeeze tube, for the squeeze tube, half of the ingredients will get stuck in the middle and it'd be hard to like put it all the way down in. So that's why you need to get one of these and just cut it like around right here. So then when you're left over with this piece, you just stick it in here and it'll be easier to squeeze it in the tube. I have more wand tubes, but these are white. And this is coconut oil that I use for my lip gloss. It is used for like moisturizing the lips and just to make the lip gloss base not so thick, like a thick consistency. So it like smooths it out, makes it more smooth. So yeah. Then I have here in this box the colors to make the lip gloss. I'm gonna show you. Look, I have in this. This color and so forth. And I have wooden sticks, like popsicle sticks, to mix in the lip gloss. I have more pigments in color and have glitter also. The glitter is not chunky, so like you won't feel it on your lips, but it'll give you like a glittery look to it, but you won't feel it on your lips. Trust me. Can't forget about the flavoring oil. So I have flavoring oil. This one is strawberry. This one is strawberry, and this one is mixed berry flavor. So it's already getting on my hands already. This is why you need to wear gloves. See. Okay, so I don't have a styrofoam plate. I forgot to get one, which I thought I did have one, but whatever. So I just have a regular plate and I covered it in plastic. It's still gonna work, trust me. So right now, I'm gonna start making a new lip gloss from my wand tube. Right. So right now, I'm gonna open my gloss base, like I guys told you. So I'm gonna do that right now. To be honest, I don't measure things, I just eyeball it, so that's how it looks like. Then I think I'll be good enough. So I'm gonna do my first try first. Then I'm gonna get my coconut oil, like I guys told you. I'm gonna leave all the link in the description if you guys want to start your own lip gloss, you know, just to look. I bought everything, guys. See? So the lip gloss base itself is thick. You put that in if it doesn't make. Then I'm gonna put some strawberry flavoring oil. I put 7 drops. Mix. So like I said, I get one of these droppers and I cut them like around, I guess, like right there. This much. Since I put everything I need, now I need to pick a color. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go with this color. You can't see it, but it's a nice pink. Trust me. Yeah. Okay, when it comes to this, yeah, I do kind of like to measure just because I don't want it to go too strong. Looks like slime. I think I want to add just a little bit more pink to it. The light isn't capturing it that good, but trust me, it's like a bubblegum color. So now I'm satisfied with the color, right? So I feel like this color will look better with the white tube, the syringe. So what I do is just open it. Put it in. You have to be patient with it, honestly. Thing. There's a little cap to cover the lip gloss. Just push it in. To push it in there. And just close it. My hands are slippery, so I cannot close it. Or an easier way to just like is to suck it in like this. So these are my squeeze tubes, as you can see. I'm gonna try to fill them up. So right now, I'm gonna clean them. So that's what you need to do, obviously. The reason you need to clean them is because they get sticky. Okay, so now that I've done cleaning them, I obviously need to dry them. By the way, this is not my towel that I use to dry myself. I bought like an extra towel for this specifically. So that concludes the end of my video of me making my lip glosses. This is a new color. I still haven't decided what I should name it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video of me making my lip glosses. And eventually there will be a part 2 because I want to make more on the wand tubes with like different colors and just like to test them out to see what color I get and the result. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe,